So we have seen how to insert a new worksheet, how to insert a new row, and how to insert a new column. Now coming to deleting a column or a row or even a worksheet for that matter. How do we do that? Come on, see that. Now let us see how to delete a row first. Okay. Now I don't want the information about Sushil. So how do I do that now? Yes, bring your active cell to the Sushil row. Okay. Then coming to home tab, cells option, that is cells group. I have delete option here in the cells group. I have delete option. So click on the delete option. So what do you want to delete? You wanted to delete the row. Okay. Select delete row. So this data, this particular data is gone. So this is how you're going to delete the row. And how to delete a column. See, suppose you don't want this gender column. So you're going to bring it here. Okay, bring the active cell to the gender column. Then in the home tab, go to cells group. In the cells group, you have delete option. So select delete column. So this particular column, which was there between the section and the marks percentage, is deleted. Now, there's another quick way of doing it. Shall I show it to you? Yes. So instead of doing all this, there is a quick way, that is, you want to add a new row here. Okay. Bring your cursor on this row heading. Say, suppose you want to insert a row just above 7. Okay. Bring your cursor here, right click your mouse button. See, you have insert option. Your row is already inserted. Okay. Then coming to the same way, you can insert a column here. Okay. Select this. Say you want a column here just between D and E. Okay. Bring the cursor to the column heading E. Okay. Right click. Click on insert. So your column is inserted. So this is an easy way of doing it. Yes. Okay. And then how to delete the worksheet. So this was an extra worksheet we have created, that is worksheet 3, and we don't need this now. So for this, what I'm going to do, just bring my cursor to sheet number 3 here, sheet heading. This is called the sheet heading. Right click here and click on delete option. The complete worksheet is deleted. Okay, you want to add a new worksheet? There's another shortcut option. Instead of going to home tab, insert, going to cells group and then click on insert. I will show you. This is called new sheet option. Just click here, a sheet is already inserted. You don't need the sheet. Right click here, delete, and your extra sheet is gone. It is deleted. Bring your cursor to the row heading that you want to delete. Say, suppose you want to delete the 7th row. Bring your row heading to row 7. Right click the mouse. Then you get the delete option. Select this delete option. Your 7th row, which was earlier a blank row, is got deleted. Similarly, you don't want this E column, which is blank, which I taught you just for inserting it. So I don't need this anymore. How do I delete this? Bring the cursor to the column heading E, right click the mouse button, select delete option. So your extra column that was inserted is delete. Easy. Now just a small knowledge booster for you. Okay, the first column is A, second column is B, and which do you think is the last column? Last column? How many columns are there? Let me show you. Last column is XFD. Yes, we have columns up to XFD. That is 16,384 columns. That is, you can enter data up to 16,384 columns. And your first row is 1. And which is your last row? First row is 1. And which is your last row? How many rows are there? Shall we see? Yes, last row is 10,48,576. So you can have data up to 10 lakh rows. So this is for your knowledge booster. Okay, children. So the next topic we are going to learn is how to increase the column width. That is, how to make it big, how to make the column more wide. Okay, now let us see. The first column we have is serial number. So here we have entered the data 1 to 3, 1 to 8. Okay, so here nothing is like hidden. Coming to second column, here the data we have entered is student ID. Here also the data is not hidden. Now coming to the third column, we can see it is student name. We can only guess it because N is hidden. Only N is seen. NAME is not seen. Okay, we only have to guess it. So how do we increase the width of the column so that the complete heading is seen? So for this, what do we do? So we need to increase the width of this column. For this, we are going to bring the cursor here. Okay, then in the home tab, go to cells group. Okay, in the cells group, we have already seen the two options, that is inserting and deleting. Now coming to the third option, which is format. Okay, select format. When you select format, you have column width option. Okay, click on column width option. So now it shows you the column width at present is 7.33. Okay, it is at 7.33 points. I want to make it little more bigger. Okay, let me select a bigger number. Let me input the number using my keypad. So let me make it 9. Just give OK. Even now, it is not sufficient. Only NA is seen. I want a still bigger number. So I'm going to home. Then in the home tab, go to cells group. In the cells group, click on format. Select column width. Okay. Let me check number 11. Okay. For 11 points, will it fit? It's almost done, but still not done. So what do? I still have a better option now. Let me go to home. Let me go to cells. Let me go to format. Here, auto fit column width. I click this. The width is automatically adjusted. So that is one option. Okay, this is how I'm going to increase the width of the column. Then class. I have next column, I have class. Here, it's only a number which is very clearly seen. Next one is section. Section is also very clearly seen. Next one is marks percentage. What is happening in marks percentage? It looks like marks is in the F column and percentage is in the G column. Should it be like this? No, marks percentage is a single column. So here, what I'm going to do, I have to increase the width of the column. Now I will show you another quick way of doing it. Okay. Just hold your mouse cursor between the F row heading and the G row heading. You can see a double-headed arrow here. Hold the mouse and drag it. See, automatically your column width has changed. It has increased. You can either increase or decrease using the double-headed arrow like this. See, I don't want a wide column here. I'll make it small. Just hold the mouse here and drag it to the left. So you have made your column small. And here, you want it a little more wider. You can make it wider. You can make it smaller. So this is an easier way. And auto width adjustment, auto fit is also an option. Now next topic is I want to increase the row height. That is, I want to make my row bigger. So how do I do that? For that, I want to make my first row bigger. So what do? I bring my cursor to the first row. Then same option, go to Home tab, go to Cells option. Okay, in the Cells group, I have Format option. Click on Format option. Here you have row height. Okay, so click on the row height option. You can give a bigger number. Okay, I want to increase it to 20. Just click OK. So this row is bigger now. What is the standard row height? Any idea what is the standard row height? Yes, it is 15 pixels. You can check here. How do you do that? Just bring your cursor to any of the row, click here. So you can see it is 15 points or 25 pixels. Okay, and what is the standard column width? So standard column width is 83 pixel, that is 8.44 points. 8.44 points or 83 pixel is the standard column width. So this is about the row height and the column width. Next topic we are going to see is about fill color. Select the color that you want to fill in that cell and just click it. Your color is filled in that particular cell. So this way you can color all the cells with whatever colors you want. Say this one with a different color, this one with a different color, so like this you can color all the cells with different colors. Okay, so this is about fill color option.